Exceptionally nice, one-owner 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. We are proud to offer this beautiful vehicle. Save thousands from retail on this one-of-a-kind Avalanche. M.S.R.P. when new was over $50,000. How many have you seen that are one-owners, with less than 12,000 miles? Loaded with features, including navigation and moonroof. Beautiful white diamond exterior with ebony leather, heavy-duty cooling system and transmission oil cooler, climate control, heated and cooled seating, remote vehicle start, and much more. Only 11,470 rarely driven, adult miles. Vehicle history report on request.